Dear friends, I request all of you to come forward a little. We are about to start the official program for the evening. Please come forward a little. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the High Commission of India in Maldives for the inauguration of the Dosti Eco-American exhibition and the celebration of our annual iTech Day. Without further ado, I would now invite the High Commissioner of India to Maldives, His Excellency Rajiv Shahare, to address the gathering.
Representatives of the various government institutions of Maldives, my colleagues from the Indian High Commission, the Ambassador of China, the winners and participants of the art exhibition, Dosti Eco-American art exhibition, representatives of various schools in Maldives, the friends from media, authorities of the National Art Gallery, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening. Assalamu alaikum. As you're all aware, we started with this India-Maldives Dosti Eco-American Week in January, or it was on January 20th, for a period of 6 days. It was to bring back and relive the great relationship that we have between the two countries. The momentum that was generated by the visit of His Excellency the President to India at the beginning of the year, we wanted to carry forward that momentum. And indeed, what we achieved in those 6 days was absolutely phenomenal. And this would not have been possible without the cooperation, without the active participation of our friends from Maldives. A very important segment, apart from many other things that we did, we had the food festival, we had blood donation week, we had the yoga camp, we had a phenomenal band from India that really rocked Maldives. We also had the film festival, knowing the tremendous interest that the Maldivians have in Bollywood. A number of activities were organized, and this particular activity of art exhibition or art competition with a theme, which other theme would have chosen but for Dosti and Eco-American between the two countries? We've had a phenomenal, overwhelming response from the schools, and I must thank each and every school for that, for participating so very enthusiastically in this event. We had close to 1,600 entries, and we went through each and every entry. And looking at the interests, we decided that every student, every person who participated in the event must be recognized, and hence we shall be giving certificates to each and every participant in this context. I think that is something that's the least we can do. We have been supported by a whole lot of sponsors, and we are very happy for that. The sponsors based in Maldives, the Indian companies, the Maldivian companies, I'm extremely thankful to them as well. There are a whole lot of them. I don't want to recognize one or two, but yes, there were the front runners in supporting the the High Commission's endeavor in having this Dosti Ek Barkan Week. I must also be thankful, it would be an absolute remiss if I do not mention that, with regard to the leadership of Maldives. Right from day one, the Vice President had inaugurated the Dosti Week, and that is because His Excellency the President was traveling to Colombo that night. And we had very strong participation from across the leadership in Maldives. We are extremely thankful for the great support extended to us by the Maldivian leadership. The paintings, you must have already started having a glimpse at it. They're absolutely colorful. It brings out the essence, the strength of our friendship through myriad colors, riot of colors, and it is truly touching to see such brilliant depiction of the friendship between the two countries. And I think it's a great coincidence, a very happy coincidence that we are on the eve of the Festival of Colors of India, Holi. I think we will also be seeing, I think the Festival of Colors of India also gels very well with this beautiful, colorful paintings of the exhibition. We have another happy coincidence. We are also marking the iTech Day, India Technical and Economic Cooperation. It is a day where we get together with our alumni, people who have gone to India and undergone training, both education as well as technical training, short-term courses, long-term courses, full degree courses. We have a very large segment of Maldivians who have undergone training in India. I'm very happy to see quite a few of them here today. We can boast of people who have trained in India, right from some of the ministers to the police commissioner to a whole lot of other people who have undergone training in India. And we intend to further strengthen our friendship in that, our cooperation in that respect. Capacity building is an important segment of our bilateral ties, and we intend to carry forward our engagement towards human resource development as well. This is our main plank of South-South cooperation between India and the developing countries. The India Technical and Economic Cooperation was set up a long time back, primarily for this reason. It is important that we transfer and share our technology with our friendly countries, our countries which are in that economic and developmental stage where it requires assistance and it requires cooperation from countries that have attained some bit of development. We were fortunate that very early on we established very prestigious educational institutions that have grown by leaps and bounds. Everyone knows about the Indian Institute of Technology. Everyone knows about the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Some graduates are here as well, for that matter. The Chandigarh Institute. There are graduates from the Jipmer Medical Institute. So these are the institutions that were established a long time back, and we would like to share this with our friends, particularly with whom we have very special relationship, that is Maldives. Thank you once again, shukriya, and salam alaikum. Thank you.
As High Commissioner rightly said, we had a whole host of events which were a part of the Dosti Ek Barkan Week. But we ran 2 national level competitions during the week. One, art competition for the school students in Maldives. And the second one was an online quiz for all Maldivians. On this occasion, we would like to acknowledge the sponsors and partners for these two national competitions. We would be failing in our duty if we do not do so. So, may I now request Madam Preeti Shahare to present mementos as a token of our gratitude to the partners and sponsors of these two competitions. Madam. First, I would like to call the representative from Haviru Online, who partnered with us for the Dosti quiz. They had hosted the Dosti quiz in their portal, and without their support, we would not have received an overwhelming response. We had close to 3,000 Maldivians who participated in the quiz and took the quiz very enthusiastically. That motivated us to do more such events. Please. I'd like to now invite the sponsors who gave the prizes for the online quiz competition. Maldivian Air, Curry Pot, Papadums, India Emporium, and the Traders Hotel. I don't think Ms. Vatsala is there. I would now invite the representative from Reefside for their support for the art competition by sponsoring the first places, which are tablets and digital cameras for the winners of the art competition. I would now like to invite the Assistant Director from the National Center for Arts for providing us this excellent gallery to host the Dosti Equirican exhibition. Thank you, ma'am. Now the stars of the day, the prize winners of the two competitions that we organized. First, I would like to invite Mr. Ali Nashad Hamid from Maldivian to hand over the grand prizes for the winners of the Dosti quiz. We ran a competition in which we asked Maldivians to answer 50 questions about India and the friendship between India and Maldives. We had many people who answered all the 50 questions correctly, and it was a very difficult task for us to finalize the winners. But the three grand prize winners are the ones who took the quiz and attempted all 50 questions in the least amount of time with the least number of attempts. So may I now call upon Mr. Mohammed Ibrahim. Ms. Fazla Abbas. Mr. Ahmad Shifau. The competition was a huge success in the sense that we had people who attempted the quiz multiple number of times. Thank you, sir. I now invite the High Commissioner of India, Mr. Rajiv Shahare, Mr. Venugopal, the Director of National Building Construction Corporation, and Mr. Salman Hassan from Reefside to hand over the prizes for the school students who won the art competition. In the grade 4 to 7 category, Luth Ibrahim Nazim from Arabia School for securing the 3rd place.
Cup is good, right?
Cup.
Okay, great.
Aishad Shaiba Ismail from Tajuddin School for securing the 2nd place. And the 1st place goes to Mariam bint Imran from Dharmavanta School. Miss, there is a small digital camera waiting for you for securing the 1st place. In the grade 8 to 12 category, the 3rd place goes to Susan Veronica from Iskander School.
Now you can give her the medal. Congratulations. Very well done.
2nd place goes to Mariam Shaha from Aminia School.
Congratulations.
And the grand prize winner in the grade 8 to 12 category is Ali Haisham Hassan from Arabia School.
Congratulations. Very well done. And you have a, this is what is tablet. You can announce that.
The winner in the 8 to 12 category is gets a Sony tablet. It would also serve the education and entertainment category. We've also a grand prize for the best school for motivating the students to participate in this competition. And with more than 500 student entries, this year's Best School Award goes to Jamaluddin School.
Congratulations. Very well done. Very well.
Thank you, sir. Now the most important of the day, the inauguration of the Dosti Aquarican exhibition. I would kindly request Madam Preeti Shahare and His Excellency Rajiv Shahare to inaugurate the exhibition. Friends, that brings us to the end of the formal segment. Many thanks to everyone for taking time to attend this event. We now invite you to witness the exhibition. There are also refreshments that are available. Please enjoy your evening. Thank you.
I would like to thank to Indian High Commission and my friends and my classmates and my mothers for help me to earn this.
I am Modive and would like to thank the India for all the help of the Maldives.
I would like to thank the Indian High Commission and I hope we will get more opportunity like this in the future.
I did a painting about how India and Maldives are so connected, and I'm very thankful to the Indian Commissioner to see and know what I did. I honestly didn't know I was going to win this prize. I just did it, and then suddenly it was a surprise because they didn't inform us even in school. So suddenly I got the prize, and I'm very thankful to the Indian High Commissioner to see and understand my painting, and thank you.